San Antonio Water System Standard Specifications for Construction. Item No. 910. Manhole Rehabilitation. 910.1 Description: this item shall govern rehabilitation of manholes complete and in place and the materials used therein, including cleaning, interior surface restoration, priming the prepared surface and coating, including bench and invert of the manhole. It shall also include all required bypass pumping necessary to complete the work. Manhole ring and cover will only be replaced if the manhole meets the new ring and cover dimensions. 910.2 Reference Standards. Reference standards cited in the specification item number 910 refer to the current reference standard published at the time of the latest revision date. 1. San Antonio Water System, SAWS. A. Specifications for water and sanitary sewer construction. B. SAWS Materials Specifications. 2. City of San Antonio, COSA, Specifications for Construction. 3. Texas Commission of Environmental Quality, TCEQ. A. Chapter 217 Design Criteria for Domestic Wastewater Systems. B. Chapter 213, Edwards Aquifer. 4. AASHTO, American Association of State Highway and Transportation Officials, AM 306, Standard Specification for Drainage, Sewer, Utility, and Related Castings. 5. ASTM, American Society for Testing and Materials. AA 536, Standard Specification for Ductile Iron Castings. BC 478, Standard Specification for Circular Precast Reinforced Concrete Manhole Sections. CD 638, Test Method for Tensile Properties of Plastics. DD 648, Standard Test Method for Deflection Temperature of Plastics under Flexural Load in the Edgewise Position. ED 790, Flexural Properties of Unreinforced and Reinforced Plastics and Electrical Insulating Materials. FD 1238, Standard Test Method for Melt Flow Rates of Thermoplastics by Extrusion Plastometer. GD 1505, Standard Test Method for Density of Plastics by the Density Gradient Technique. HD 1693, Standard Test Method for Environmental Stress Cracking of Ethylene Plastics. IASTMC 109, Standard Test Method for Compressive Strength of Hydraulic Cement. J. Mortars, using 2 inches or 50 mm cube specimens. KASTMC 293, Standard Test Method for Flexural Strength of Concrete, using simple beam with center point loading. LASTMC 490, Standard Practice for Use of Apparatus for the Determination of Length Change of Hardened Cement Paste, Mortar, and Concrete. MASTMC 496, Standard Test Method for Splitting Tensile Strength of Cylindrical Concrete Specimens. NASTMC 882, Standard Test Method for Bond Strength of Epoxy Resin Systems Used. O with Concrete by Slant Shear. PASTMC 1140, Standard Practice for Preparing and Testing Specimens from Shotcrete Test Panels. 910.3 Submittals. Contractor shall submit manufacturer's product data, instructions, recommendations, shop drawings, and certifications. All submittals shall be in accordance with engineer's requirements and submittals shall be approved by the engineer prior to delivery. 1. Submit proposed methods, equipment, materials, and sequence of operations for sewer construction. 2. Plan operations so as to minimize disruption of utilities to occupied facilities or adjacent property. 3. Submit test reports. 4. Submit pre- and post-construction videos. 5. Videos become property of SAWS. 6. Manufacturer shall certify that applicator has been trained and approved in the handling, mixing and application of the products to be used. 7. Equipment to be used for applying the products by the applicator shall be certified and approved by the manufacturer. 8. Only manhole rehabilitation products approved by the SAWS Standards Committee shall be used. 9. The contractor shall submit descriptive information including technical data sheets and ASTM test results on each product proposed indicating that the product conforms to and it is suitable for its intended use per these specifications. 910.4 Materials. 1. Unless otherwise specified, all grouting shall be done with non-shrinking grout. A non-shrinking grout shall be furnished factory premixed so only water is added at the job site. B. Grout shall be mixed in a mechanical mixer. C. No more water shall be used than is necessary to produce a flowable grout. D. All proportioning and mixing of the components shall be in accordance with manufacturer's recommendations. 2. Reinforcement. Reinforcing steel shall conform to the requirements of COSA Item 301 Reinforcing steel. 3. Replacement brick for ring adjustment courses shall be of first quality, sound, kill-fired, new unbroken brick. 4. For rehabilitation of existing manholes, first, apply a combination of cementitious coatings followed by an approved epoxy coating. SOPR Code 2000 HS and PG and APM MS 10,000 with con shield, applied at the required 1-inch thick application. APM Permacast MS 10,000 with con shield is the only products approved which does not require a subsequent epoxy coating. 5 other approved materials are located on SAWS website under SAWS approved products list. The list is periodically updated. Contractors should check the list prior to starting construction. 6. The manhole ring and cover, if required, shall be in accordance with specification item number 852 sanitary sewer manholes. 910.5 Construction. Proper surface preparation procedures must be followed to ensure adequate bond strength to any surface to be coated. 1. Applicator shall inspect all surfaces specified to receive a liner prior to surface preparation. 2. Applicator shall notify engineer of any noticeable disparity in the surfaces which may interfere with the proper preparation or application of the repair mortar and / or liner, S. 3. Concrete that is not sound or has been damaged by chemical exposure shall be removed to a sound, concrete surface. 4. All contaminants including, all oils, grease, incompatible existing coatings, waxes, form release, curing compounds, efflorescents, sealers, salts, or other contaminants shall be removed. 5. Surface preparation methods, S, should be based upon the conditions of the substrate and the requirements of the liner to be applied. 6. Surface to receive liner shall be cleaned and abrade to produce a sound concrete surface with adequate profile and porosity to provide a strong bond between the protective coating and substrate. 7. High pressure cleaning with a minimum of 4,000 psi, and 4 gallons per minute using a rotating pencil nozzle, shall be used to clean and free all foreign material within the manhole. 8. Detergent water and cleaning or muriatic acid shall be used when grease and oil are present. 9. All materials resulting from the cleaning of the manhole shall be removed prior to application of coating. 10. Active water infiltration shall be stopped by using a cementitious water plug or hydroactive grout which is compatible with the specified coating. 11. Prepared surfaces should be tested after cleaning but prior to application of the coating, if a specific pH or moisture content of the concrete is required according to manufacturer's recommendations. 12. Protective coating materials are to be handled according to their material safety data sheets. Materials are to be kept dry, protected from weather and stored under cover. 13. Repair/undercoat materials must be accepted and approved by the protective coating manufacturer for compatibility with the specified liner and shall be used to fill voids, structurally reinforce and/or rebuild surfaces, etc. as determined necessary by the engineer and liner applicator. 14. Application procedures shall conform to the recommendations of the liner manufacturer, including material handling, mixing, environmental controls during application, safety, and equipment. 15. The liner application equipment shall be specifically designed to accurately apply the specified liner materials and shall be regularly maintained and proper working order. 16. The liner material must be applied by a certified applicator of the liner manufacturer. 17. Liner shall meet SAWS 5-year warranty requirement. 18. The liner shall be applied to minimum thickness or as specified by the engineer manufacturer's recommendations. 19. Each component or separate piece of the manhole structure shall be marked with a tag or stamp that clearly and legibly identifies the coating manufacturer, coating product utilized and date of installation. Tag and slash or stamp shall be placed in a location that can clearly be seen within the manhole or structure. 20. The manhole ring and cover replacement, if required, shall be in accordance with specification item number 852 sanitary sewer manholes. 910.6 Testing, contractor will be required to perform testing for manhole rehabilitation. 1. Visually verify the absence of leaks. 2. Contractor will be required to perform either a hydrostatic exfiltration test or vacuum test on every manhole that is rehabilitated. 1. Test to be coordinated with SAWS inspector. 2. Test to be performed as outlined in specification item 852 sanitary sewer manholes. 3. Every manhole that is rehabilitated shall be inspected using high voltage holiday detection equipment. 1. All detected holidays shall be marked and repaired by abrading the coating surface with grit disc paper or other hand tooling method. 2. After abrading and cleaning, additional protective coating material shall be applied to the repair area. 3. All touch-up repair procedures shall follow the protective coating manufacturer's recommendations. 4. If a manhole fails to pass one of the above tests, it shall be repaired in accordance with the manufacturer's recommendation and retested. 5. It shall not be accepted until it passes all tests. 6. All repairs and retesting shall be at no additional cost to SAWS. 7. With second failed test, contractor has option to perform other leak test as outlined in specification. A total of 3 failed tests will be allowed. After third failed test, contractor to replace failed coating or manhole. 910.7 Measurement. Manhole rehabilitation shall be measured by vertical feet of manhole depth. Sewer structure rehabilitation, non-circular manholes, and manholes greater than 4 feet in diameter, shall be measured by the vertical foot to be rehabilitated. 1. The bench area of the manhole or manhole structure is considered to be subsidiary to the measurement of the rehabilitated manhole or manhole structure, and shall be rehabilitated as necessary. 910.8 Payment. This item shall be paid for by vertical foot at the unit price bid for manhole rehabilitation. Payment shall be full compensation for materials, labor, equipment, tools, testing, restoration, manhole ring and cover, if required, and any incidentals necessary to complete the work including the bench, invert, and all interior surfaces of the manhole.